Welcome, fam. Did you wake up feeling stiff, foggy, or like your body's not quite ready to move yet? That's not laziness, it's your nervous system still trying to wake up. This is your reset. Simple, powerful moves to open the day with energy and ease. Let's hit the mat. Your breath holds the key to how your body wakes up, but most people rush into the day without reconnecting to it. The stretch brings it all back through calm, controlled motion. Start in child's pose, letting your hips sink back and your forehead melting into the mat. Inhale deeply, then exhale and ripple forward into cobra, lifting the chest, shoulders back. Repeat the flow slowly like a wave. Let your breath guide the rhythm. This move resets your spinal fluidity, decompresses tension, and reconnects breath to movement. I promise you'll feel calmer, taller after just 1 minute. Most people think they're stiff because of sleep, but it's actually because they haven't exhaled fully. Try now. Let it out. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips and pelvis from every direction. We rarely move in circles, yet your hips crave that 360-degree motion. This stretch reprograms your base to move the way it was designed to. Stand tall with knees soft. Slowly circle your hips in a wide loop, clockwise. Keep the spine steady and feet grounded. At 30 seconds, switch directions. Let the motion feel playful, not rigid. This opens up deep hip stabilizers, relieves pressure in the spine, and activates your core gently. I promise your stride will feel lighter after this. This motion actually stimulates your pelvic floor and improves digestion. Movement is medicine. That just recentered your hips. Now let's create lift and length through your upper body. You don't realize how much tension you hold in your ribs until you finally breathe into them. This movement gives you that breath back. Stand tall, inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, gently bend to the left, feeling the stretch from fingertips to hip. Return to center, switch sides. Keep it fluid. This increases lung capacity, resets posture, and brings breath where it usually gets stuck. I promise your upper body will feel more open with every rep. Try holding the bend for 5 more seconds. Reach just 1 inch further, then breathe into that space. That just expanded your breath. Now let's stretch the whole back line from hips to hamstrings. Your hamstrings are your body's brakes, and most of us leave them tight and ignored. This stretch frees the whole back chain. Step wide, hinge at the hips, reach towards your right foot, come back to center, then reach for the left. Move slow movement to your breath. This improves flexibility in your spine, hips, and legs, while calming the nervous system. I promise your back will feel looser after just 1 minute. Toe touches actually activate your core if you control the descent. Can you reach just 1 inch further with each rep without rounding your back? Let's see. That just unlocked your hamstrings. Now we finish with rotation and balance. This is a full body coordination test. Can your hips, spine, and shoulders all move together without falling apart? Drop into a deep squat, elbows inside the knees. Place your right hand down, rotate the left arm up toward the sky. Hold, then switch at 30 seconds. Breathe deeply into the twist. This stretch improves ankle mobility, thoracic rotation, and postural control. I promise your body will feel more alive and balanced afterward. Hold that twist. Breathe into your ribs. Can you stay 5 seconds longer without shifting your feet? Is your spine helping you rotate, or is it just your arm reaching? That just synced your mobility and stability. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. It's the same rhythm but deeper, with daily support, weekly themes, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.